If your animation looks like this, when you wanted this, it's probably not your drawing, it's your spacing. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you two types of spacing that fix jitter, weight spacing, and contour spacing, and the jitter trap that makes things vibrate even when you add more frames.
Spacing, the usual suspect.
I'm Chamel. I teach Procreate Dreams animation for total beginners. And later I'll show you a 10-second test so you stop polishing the wrong thing. Spacing is the distance between your drawings over time. When something slows down, drawings get closer together. When it speeds up, drawings get farther apart. More frames can make it worse if the spacing is random.
So 900 frames?
I think about smoothness in two layers. Contour spacing, the outline. Rule, weight first. Weight spacing is where the whole object travels through space. Here's the fastest test. Imagine a dot in the center of your object. Follow that dot frame to frame. If it glides smoothly, your foundation is good. Ball, blob, character head, hand, anything. If the dot does tiny random jumps, that's jitter. Smooth motion usually has a speed story. Small spacing equals slow, bigger spacing equals faster. If you accidentally go small, big, it reads like vibration. And now I'll show you a quick keyframe example. Procreate Dreams 2 can do both. Easing is basically spacing over time, just automated. You have ease in, where the object starts off slow and then gathers speed as it gets to the end of the animation. You have ease out, which it does the opposite. It starts off quickly and ends slowly. And then you have ease in and ease out, which does both. Linear is one speed throughout.
So keyframes are spacing with a fancy hat?
Exactly. If weight spacing is smooth, but the edge is shimmer, that's contour spacing. Turn on onion skins. Zoom into one contour area. Bottom curve, a corner, tip of a tail, edge of a hand. Look for landmarks. If one frame jumps too far on the outline, you get shimmer. Fix it by making those contour steps more consistent. Now turn onion skins off and check the whole drawing in motion. Onion skins sometimes can trick you into over-fixing. Here's the jitter trap I promised. Tiny inconsistency. One frame is slightly too far, the next slightly too close. It reads as vibration.
Okay, fine. Add more frames.
That's the trap. More frames just give you more chances to be slightly wrong. Fix spacing first, then add frames. Here's the workflow that always works. Pass 1, weight spacing, smooth path, smooth speed story. Pass 2, contour spacing, fix the shimmer. Pass 3, play it like a viewer. Once you understand weight spacing, you can also make things feel heavier or lighter without changing the drawing style at all. Watch this bowling ball on the left. The spacing stays pretty tight near the bottom of the arc and it slams into that last pose. Small spacing, then suddenly it stops. And on the right side we have a balloon on the same path. The spacing is more even and it kind of floats through the arc before it slows down. So even before you add squash and stretch or fancy shading, your spacing is already telling the viewer this is heavy or this is light. Alright, if this helps your animation stop doing the weird vibrating jelly thing, you probably want more of this in your life. Hit subscribe, it genuinely makes the art gremlin absurdly happy, and it tells YouTube to show you the rest of the animation lessons, instead of, I don't know, Blender tutorials for bread. If you want to go deeper, I've got a Procreate Dreams brush pack and the project files linked in the description so you can dissect these spacing examples frame by frame. And if you want extra breakdowns, behind the scenes files, and more gremlin chaos, that's all over on my Patreon. For a full beginner roadmap, so you're not guessing what to learn next, tap the Animation Bootcamp playlist on screen, and I'll walk you through the next step.
More spacing, less suffering.
See you there.